Hi, and welcome to this small tutorial on how to use UpUgo's trainer. The trainer is accessible via the URL upugo.in/ai. This will take you to a login page, from where you can also register by clicking on Create an Account. Here you will be prompted to enter some details about yourself and your child. This information is strictly private and will only help us in creating better customized reports for your child in their assessments. Once you're back at the login page, all you have to do is enter your email and password, and you'll be taken straight to UpUgo Trainer's dashboard. This is the trainer's dashboard, as you can see. It's unique for each child that registers. There are some pages you can access on the left menu, and we'll get to those soon. The main stats you can see on top are the number of tests taken, the average score in each test, as well as your leaderboard position in real time. Just below that is a list of all the tests that you can choose to attempt. You can navigate by clicking the left and right buttons and choose the test that you want to do right now by clicking Take Now. Just below that is a cool BMI calculator wherein you can enter your age, gender, height and weight and instantly find out your BMI. Not only that, you'll also be given a range of healthy weights for someone your height. Let's try our first assessment. Choose the test you want to attempt from the navigation section by using the right and left arrows to choose the one you want. Click on Take Now, click OK on the alert, and be sure to see the tutorial by using the green button on the left. Once you're done with that, simply close the box and click on Start the Test, where trainer's voice commands will guide you through the entire assessment. Once you're done with the assessment, you'll be taken to the result page. Not only does it show you the overall score, but it also shows you all the metrics used by trainer to give you that score. Notice that all metrics have not been unlocked. To do that and achieve your max score, be sure to upload the downloaded images during the test on the secondary assessment form by clicking the blue button. This is the page which has the form to upload your images for secondary assessment. When choosing the images, make sure to look for the ones in your gallery that say UpUgo Exercise Front Assessment and UpUgo Exercise Side Assessment. Upload the images, fill in the details, click Submit, and UpUgo will get back to you in 24 to 48 hours with a personalized report. Now coming back to the result page, if you navigate back to the dashboard via the left menu, you'll be able to see the changes reflected in your stats. The test taken, average score, leaderboard position, and also your individual progress in each test shown by the red bar should be updated. Now, let's check out the My Results page, which you can access by clicking the same on the left menu. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page which has your results in every single test, including the number of attempts, your maximum score, the option to retake the test by clicking the blue button on the right, and also the option to share on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, whichever be your choice. This was it for the tutorial. Good luck and happy staying fit.